Racquetball is a fun two-player game where players rally a ball back and forth against a wall using rackets and try to score the most points. The game starts with one player serving the ball from between the two solid lines in the middle of the court, called the service zone. To serve the ball, a player bounces the ball once, then hits it with their racket toward the front wall. If the ball bounces off the wall and completely clears the service zone, the rally starts. During the rally, the players hit the ball back and forth. Players can hit the ball against any wall as long as it hits the front wall before hitting the floor. If the ball bounces on the floor more than once, the receiving player loses the rally. When the server loses the rally, no points are awarded, and the other player serves next. If the server wins the rally, they earn 1 point and serve again. If a player doesn't hit the front wall on their serve, or if the ball doesn't clear the service zone on its way back, the serve is considered a fault serve. After 2 fault serves in a row, the next player gets to serve. Racquetball is played in 3 matches, with the first and second matches being played to 15 points, and the third match being played to 11 points. Whoever wins 2 out of 3 matches wins the game.